Um, what's up, guys? Welcome to my video. Today, I'm showing you about the classic 1518. You don't even know that, right? Comment below if you don't know, cause I will information about that. Alright, this is Melon Sandbox, and Happy New Year anyway. Let's go to autosave. Okay, so this is the one classic. Wait a minute, I'll show you from my saves. Ignore my own saves, please. Alright, this is classic 1518. Hold on a sec. Oh no. Sorry, this is a disaster. Please ignore the disasters. Alright, let me attach the rope. Alright. So this is classic 1518. You can see the number on his tender and he moves. Look at the piston rods or side rods. Look at the side rods moving. It's better that it's like he almost looks like Simpson from the Brave Locomotive. You already see my saves. You see it's like saying Samson next to save me. It's just the title of the save. Anyways, this the button. If you press this, that opens the minigun thing. It tries to move. Yeah, let's go backwards. I can see the piston rods are moving a little bit. And this one, this is the smoke from us. Ignore the extinguisher. That's just my big mistake for this. I can use this radio. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video about classic 1518. As always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Of course. If you want to see all of my saves, you have to comment below. If you want to say, I'll repeat again. If you want to see all of my saves in Melon Sandbox, please comment below. I just want to see your comments. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.
You were the shadow to my